Are you fed up with intricate diets? Let's make it simpler. Intermittent fasting could revolutionize your eating habits. Intermittent fasting, or IF, isn't a diet, it's an eating pattern. You alternate between periods of eating and fasting. This approach offers numerous potential benefits. Let's first discuss the fasting intervals. Popular methods include 16-8 and 5-2. With 16-8, you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. In the 5.2 method, you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2. So why do individuals opt for intermittent fasting? A primary reason is weight loss. Fasting can help lower overall calorie intake. This allows your body to access fat reserves. Now, let's consider metabolic health. Fasting may enhance insulin sensitivity. This improved function means your body can process sugar more effectively, thus reducing diabetes risk. The potential advantages also expand to brain health. Fasting might boost cognitive function and could decrease the likelihood of neurodegenerative disorders. Here's a relatable scenario. Imagine a busy student. When they skip breakfast and start with lunch, they're practicing intermittent fasting. They may experience improved focus without morning distractions. To summarize, intermittent fasting supports weight loss and may improve metabolic and brain health. It's a versatile eating style you should contemplate. Are you interested in trying intermittent fasting? Begin today, select a method, and take the plunge. Intermittent fasting isn't solely about food. It also promotes mindfulness. By focusing on when you eat, not just what you eat, you can develop a renewed appreciation for your meals. This may lead to more thoughtful choices when your eating window opens, fostering healthier habits over time. Rather than mindlessly snacking, you might relish each bite, appreciating the flavors and nutrients fueling your body. Listening to your body is vital when practicing intermittent fasting. Everyone responds differently to fasting, so adjusting your eating windows to align with your energy levels and lifestyle is crucial. Eventually, you may discover a rhythm that allows you to eat satisfactorily during your designated hours. Hydration remains key during fasting periods. Consuming water, herbal teas, or black coffee can keep you energized and focused. The goal is to develop a sustainable practice that enhances your overall health without feelings of deprivation or stress. As you embark on this journey, establish realistic expectations. Your body may react initially, leading to hunger pangs or fatigue. These feelings are often temporary and indicate your body's adjustment process. Navigating these early challenges may cultivate resilience and self-discipline. Moreover, discussing your experiences with friends or a supportive online community can boost motivation and accountability, making the journey feel less solitary. Ultimately, intermittent fasting might transform your relationship with food, guiding you to a healthier lifestyle while still enjoying your favorite dishes. Intermittent fasting is not merely about discipline, it's also a chance for self-discovery. Navigating your eating windows can reveal surprising insights about your cravings and emotional triggers. Rather than snacking out of habit, you'll become more aware of your body's true needs. This awareness can lead to a healthier, more balanced approach to nutrition. Embracing this journey may introduce you to new recipes and flavors that excite your taste buds. Remember to savor the process and keep experimenting until you find what works best for you. In conclusion, intermittent fasting provides a transformative eating method that not only supports weight management and metabolic health, but also fosters a deeper connection with food. It encourages a mindful and enjoyable dietary experience. Embrace the flexibility of this approach and discover how it can enhance your well-being.